Hello friends, myself Shivam. Today we are going to discuss about my end semester solution paper, that is transferring the unstructured data for machine learning. Transforming unstructured data, key concept and techniques. Transforming of unstructured data for machine learning models. Unstructured data such as text and image must be converted into structured format that algorithm can process, often involving techniques like tokenization and normalization. Importance of legal classification in redressal. Legal classification ensure that grievance and categorized correctly, facilitating appropriate response and adherence to regulation which strengthens trust in the redressal process. Feature extraction from complaint text. Techniques such as TF, IDF, and word embedding help to convert test data into numeric features, enabling model to analyze and predict outcomes based on complaint submission effectively. Data science project life cycle. An overview of each stage. Define is definition problem, data collection, data exploration, pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection and building model evolution, model deployment, monitoring and maintenance, communication and reporting. Text mining in give revenge redressal. Automating grievance redressal. Text mining plays a crucial role in automating grievance redressal system by quickly analyzing and categorize complaints, allowing for efficient resolution. Reprocessing unstructured data. The initial step involves cleaning the data to remove noise such as relevant symbols and formatting issue, ensuring quality input for analysis. Tokenization. Tokenization breaks down the text into individual words for praise, enabling the system to understand and process each component of giveliness. Normalization. Normalization standardizes text by converting it into a common format such as lowercasing word and stemming or lemmatizing to reduce variations. Fifth, removing stop word. This step involves filtering out common words like and the and is which do not contribute meaningful information to analysis. Feature extraction. Feature extraction converts the cleaned and pre-processed text into a format suitable for machine learning algorithm, often using techniques like TF-IDF. Sentiment analysis. Applying sentiment analysis help identify the emotional tone of grievance which can guide prioritization and response strategies. Classification. Finally, classification algorithm categorize grievance into a predefined classes, streamlining the routing process for appropriate resolution. Linear regression concept. Understanding the principle and algorithm of linear regression. Explanation of linear regression. Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables by fitting a linear equation to observed data. Determining the best fit line. The best fit line is determined by minimizing the sum of squared differences errors between the observed value and the value predicted by the line. This method is known as the least squares method. Algorithm for linear regression. The algorithm involves in several steps to compute the coefficient of the linear equation that best fits the data. Step 1. Prepare data. Collecting and organizing the data points XY to be used for training the linear regression model. Second step. Calculate coefficient. Use the least squares method to calculate the slope m and intercept b of the best fit line, represented by the equation x equals to mx plus b. Step 3. Make predictions. With the coefficient determined, use the linear equation to make predictions on a new data point. Step 4. Evaluate model. Assess the accuracy of the predictions using matrices such as R squared, mean squared error, MSE, For root mean itself error RMSE. Clustering algorithm example is step to create clusters. Dataset initialization. Begin with the dataset 2, 4, 10, 12, 2, 20, 30, 11, 25. This serves as the foundation of for clustering. Define clustering criteria. Establishing criteria for clustering such as distance matrices or similarity measures to guide the algorithm grouping. Clustering process. Round 1. In the first round, initial cluster are formed based on approximately, for example, points 2 to 4, 10 may group together. Clustering process round 2. In second round, cluster are refined. The algorithm adjusts grouping, possibly yielding cluster like 10, 11, 12, and 20, 25, 30. Continuing the process. Repeat the clustering round until no significant changes occur in group assignment, ensuring stable cluster. Final cluster output. The final output including well-defined cluster which might look 2, 2, 4, 10, 11, 12, and 20, 25, 30. Comparison of clustering algorithm. K-means versus hierarchical clustering. Key differences and advantage in visualizing clustering relationship. K-means clustering. Partition data into K distinct clusters based on feature similarity. Requires the number of clusters K to be specified beforehand. Uses centroid-based approach calculates mean of the point in each cluster, efficient for large datasets with a time complexity of O bracket n star k star I bracket close. Sensitivity of outliers, which can skew result significantly. Does not provide a hierarchy or a relation between cluster. Hierarchical clustering uh, creates a tree cluster showing relationship between them. No need to specify the number of cluster in advance can decide based on dendrogram. Use algometry or divisive methods builds cluster based on distance matrices. Less efficient for large datasets, time complexity can reach 0 O bracket n cube bracket close. More robust to outliers can migrate their impact on clustering. Visualize cluster relationship and structure aiding in understanding data distribution. Loan application classification. Detailed classification of loan application based on the risk assignment. Data pre-processing impact. Impact of data pre-processing technique on model performance. Analyzing the effect of pre-processing model matrices. C. Data pre-processing techniques. Common techniques include stop world removal and streaming, which help reduce noise in textual data, making it more manageable for models. Impact on model performance. Proper pre-processing can significantly enhance model accuracy by ensuring that irrelevant information is executed, leading to better learning. Matrices for assessment. Performance should be evaluated using precision recall and F1 score to comprehensive understand the effectiveness and pre-processing techniques applied. Grievance redressal algorithm. Step to determine relevant IPC sections. Input definition. The algorithm takes a complaint text represented as term frequency matrices and IPC manual for processing. Pre-process complaints. Remove stop word and punctuation and apply stemming or elimination system like text message. Create term frequency matrices. Count the occurrence of each ununique term in complaint to form a term frequently matrix. IPC manual pre-processing. Extract relevant terms from each IPC section description and create a term frequency matrix for each section. Calculate TF-IDF. Compute CFIDF by multiplying term frequency with inverse document frequency for both complaint and IPC section. Cosine similarity calculation. Calculate the cosine similarity between the term vector of the complaint and each IPC section's term vectors. Ranking IPC sections. Ranking IPC section based on their cosine similarity is first with the complaint to determine prevalence. Output result. Result of the top N IPC section that are most relevant to the user complaint for further actions. TF-IDF and document similarity. Analyzing offense term frequencies in complaint documents. Offense theme, complaint DI, offense term 1, offense term 2. First column 0, 4, 10. Second complaint D2 0, 5, 19. 7, 16, 0. Complaint D3 15, 32, 00, D17. Understanding the data science project lifestyle. Comprehensive guide. Mother चोद ये बड़वा ये नहीं बनाने देगा। वो बोल भी रहा है अब बोल लूं। Understanding the data science project cycles. Comprehensive guide covering each state of a data science project from inception on ongoing maintenance, including key tasks and recommended tools. Data science project life cycle. Stage, objective, key details, and tools and libraries. Define the problem. In object, clearly articulate the problem statement, key details, identifying business objectives, formulated questions, and define successes metrics. Tools, notebook, Google Documents. Second, data collection. Gather relevant data, key details, collecting data from various sources such as database, apps, and web expressing. Tools, Pandas SQL. Third, data exploration and pre-processing. Understand and clean the data. Key details, performing exploratory data analysis EDA, handle missing values and normalize data. Pandas C-bombs. Feature engineering. Create meaningful features. Transform raw data into features that improve model performance. Tools, Sklearn and feature tools. Role of text mining in grievance redressal. Enhance efficiency. Text mining automates the identification and categorization of grievance frequently, speeding up response times and improving overall efficiency. Improving accuracy. By analyzing unstructured data, text mining helps us in accurate interpreting customers' sentiments and issue leading to better resolution. Facilitating data insight. Text mining uncovers pattern and trend in grievance, providing values insight that organization can use to improve services and prevent future issues. Pre-processing steps. Key steps in pre-processing unstructured text data include tokenization, removal of stop words, streaming, and laminization, which are crucial for effective analysis. Tokenization. This involves breaking down text into individual words of phrases, making it easier to analyze and interpret the data. It's the word removal, commonly used word that add little meaning like and the are removed to focus and significant terms in the text. Streaming and laminization. This process reduce words to their root forms, ensuring that variation of the word are treated as a single entity, enhancing the analysis.